What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Alright, so it's been a rainy day here in Cali, so we got a few issues going on with the truck with this rain. These are aftermarket headlights and we got water in them. How nasty they look, man. They make the truck look very ghetto with all this. I know the OEM ones obviously don't leak, and these are some aftermarket ones. They didn't leak. Like these are the ones on my blue truck, and for some reason these don't leak, but I guess not all of them are made the same. These must have some type of crack or some sealant that didn't go through, because we got water in here. Not only on this one, but we got a little bit on this one too. Not as much, but you can still tell there's some in there. So in this video I'm gonna go ahead and reseal these headlights. I've never done this before, so hopefully we don't mess them up, because I know we have to put them in the oven, put new sealant on, and then put them in the oven again to close them up, and we'll test them out right now that it's still raining. So let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and remove the headlight. In order for us to remove this, we do have to remove the grill, and then I think there's 1, 2, 3 bolts holding it in place. I'm gonna start by preheating the oven to 240 degrees. I've seen a lot of videos. Some people say 270, 275, 250. I'm gonna do 240, and I'm gonna bake it longer time, about 20 minutes. So I'm also gonna be preparing the headlight. Sorry about the noise, my kids are inside here. I'm gonna prepare the headlight by removing all our bulbs from here. So this is what I'm going to be using to reseal our headlights. This is the OEM stuff. I think it's called like rubber butyl, something like that. It comes in a roll. Nice and black. So I'm going to be putting this. This roll should be enough for both headlights, hopefully. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to use this tool. See? Same material used to seat most OEM headlights from the factory, so there you go. Alright, to protect my hands, I'm going to be using some of these gloves. Headlights are out. I'm going to start prying from the bottom part. Give a close that. I'm going to start prying. Here, we release the tabs. Okay. Out. I'm gonna try to clean and push in as much as the current glue. It's not really glued in very well, honestly. I'm gonna try to clean as much of this glue as I can right now that it's still hot. Alright, all I'm doing is pushing most of this glue that's already on here. I'm pushing it down to make room for the new glue. Alright. Alright guys, I took out these side markers here. I was contemplating on whether or not to color match the whole housing to the truck, but I think I'm just going to leave it in black. So I'm going to go ahead and align everything, warm up our glue, and apply a small little bead all the way around. Alright, I went ahead and put a little bead all the way around, and we put it in the oven again for another 10 minutes to get that nice and soft, and then we're going to work it around, put our housing back on, and put it again for another 20 minutes to make sure everything sticks on perfectly. Alright, this is done. I ended up taking the little markers that were in here, took them out. This is it. I don't think this yellow orange matches with the rest of the truck, so now we have a clean install here. I need to get rid of this, put some glue on here. I ended up getting a little bit of the glue on here, but here we have it. It's not the cleanest job, but at least we're not going to have any more leaking here. A little messy, but the fact that it comes out is a positive thing because it tells me that it has a nice seal all the way around, and only time will tell if these are going to leak again or not. So I'm still gonna go ahead and put maybe a little bit of silicone, clear silicone all the way around to add an extra layer of protection, and then I'm going to clean these up with some glue gun, and we're going to go ahead and install them. Alright, went ahead and reinstalled our light bulbs back and the gaskets. Let's go put them in the truck.
If
So it's gonna be raining here in California for a couple days. I'm gonna let it sit in the rain, and then we'll truly test out if any water is gonna go in through there. But at least we eliminated the markers here on the side. That's how we have it. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. So make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure to support the channel by getting your decal. And stay tuned for the next video where we finally get our rims and tires for our truck. Stay tuned till next time.